Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove Luxe, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. Actually, let me reopen it, so like this. After the application opens, you should see my day page, the home page basically. Tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, and here you should see Vivomove Luxe on the list of devices. Tap on it, then tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner. Tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove. If you see this pop-up on the screen, you can close it for now. Close the app, open the settings, tap on Bluetooth. You should see list of my devices, and on it you should see Vivomove Luxe. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device to remove it. And now let's go back to the app quickly, because I don't think it removed the watch. No, never mind, it did. So if you go to Garmin Devices, it's gone. Okay, so that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.